Sarah Haverstick here. I'm Evenflo's safety advocate, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to install your All4One or All4One DLX 4-in-1 car seat in forward-facing harness mode using lower anchors and tether. For forward-facing, your child should be at least 2 years old, weigh between 22 and 65 pounds, and range from 28 to 49 inches tall. If that sounds like your little one, let's install facing forward. Before you begin, you'll need to review the instruction manual, which is tucked behind the harness system out of the box. After reviewing the instruction manual and all of the labels on the side of the car seat, you'll want to put the instruction manual in storage behind the headrest for future reference. Pull out the recline handle and tilt the car seat to one of two forward-facing positions. Position 5 can only be used for children over 40 pounds. Position 6 can be used for children up to 65 pounds. Unhook the tether from the rear of the car seat. Place the car seat on your vehicle seat so that your child will be facing the front of the vehicle. Always make sure the bottom of the car seat sits flat on the vehicle seat. Lay the tether across your vehicle seat back. We will attach the tether to your vehicle at the end of the installation. Unbuckle and loosen the harness. Then remove the head pillow and body pillow. These are not used in forward-facing mode. Detach each lower anchor connector from the side of the car seat. Then raise the seat pad to access the forward-facing belt path. Move the lower anchors from the rear-facing belt path to the forward-facing belt path. Make sure the lower anchor strap lies flat and is not twisted, and then replace the seat pad. Make sure each lower anchor connector is oriented in the correct direction. And attach each connector to the corresponding anchor bar in the vehicle. The larger EasyClick connector can be positioned on either side of the car seat. Make your installation even easier by positioning it on the side closest to the vehicle door. To tighten the car seat, fold out the handle of the EasyClick connector and move the handle back and forth. You will see and feel the car seat getting tighter. When you are finished tightening the car seat, fold the EasyClick handle back into position. To check for tightness, grab the car seat at the belt path, which is where you have it installed. It should not move more than 1 inch from side to side or front to back. If the car seat moves more than 1 inch when checking at the belt path, try to tighten the installation again. If that doesn't work, you may need to change seating positions or switch installation methods. Connect the tether from the back of your car seat to the corresponding anchor bar in your vehicle. Then pull the tail to remove excess slack. I've covered the essentials, but if you still have questions, I encourage you to reach out to Evenflo's ParentLink customer service. As an Evenflo car seat owner, real-time chat support and free live video installation guidance are yours for the asking. Look for ParentLink at evenflo.com.